Hello creative people, welcome back to my channel. This is Evelyn Green. I am a Spanish illustrator, and since the spring has officially begun, I thought we could explore some spring color palettes that we can use for our illustrations. So today I'll be using some reference pictures to create these palettes, and I'll briefly explain why these colors work well together from a color theory perspective. So here is the first picture that I'm gonna be using. It is a beautiful spring sunset in a flower field, and I really love its colors. It features beautiful hues of blue, purple, pink, orange, yellow and green. Let's select those colors. I'll start with the blues. Then the yellows and oranges. Then the purple. And finally, the green. Now let's locate those colors on the color wheel. This darkest blue will be between these two shades of blue. Here is the purple. Here is the orangey yellow. And here is the green. Now let's connect these 4 points. As you can see, all the colors within these lines are the ones that we can see in the reference picture. The reason these colors work well together is because they form a tetradic color scheme. A tetradic color scheme uses 4 colors evenly spaced around the color wheel. This creates a rich and vibrant palette, as the colors provide a good balance of contrast and harmony. In our example, we have the blues, yellows, oranges and purples all positioned roughly equidistant from each other on the wheel. So let's quickly test this palette by drawing a quick example. And there you go. As you can see, the colors work beautifully together, and I have to say that this is one of my favorite color combinations. Now let's do the same using this reference photo, because there's nothing that represents a spring as beautifully as cherry blossoms. So let's see what color palette we can create from this. The first thing I notice in this picture is that we have several hues of pink, ranging from darkest to lightest. We also have a very nice blue sky. And several shades of green. Again, let's find those colors on the color wheel. Here is the pink, the blue, and the green. This time we're only using 3 colors, so this would be a triadic color scheme. A triadic color scheme uses 3 colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel, forming a perfect triangle. This creates a balanced and vibrant palette, with each color complementing the others. So again, let's quickly test it out. There we go. And here is the last picture, another flower field, and this picture features yellow, red and orange flowers, and these colors contrast really well with the green. So let's see what colors we can use from this. I'm going to start with the 2 shades of red from the red flowers. Then the orange flowers. Then the yellow flowers. And finally, the green. Now once again, let's find those colors on the color wheel. And here is the red. The orange. Yellow. And green. The red, orange and yellow work well together because they are analogous colors, while the green provides a nice contrast as it is the complementary color of red. So once again, let's test it out by drawing a quick flower field. And there we go, you can see how vibrant and harmonious these colors are together. So there we have it. These are 3 beautiful spring palettes that I love using in my illustrations. Now tell me, what colors do you like to use for your spring illustrations? Let me know down there in the comments. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any artsy videos. You can also follow my journey as an illustrator on Instagram at @EverlyGreenArt, where I post all my work. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and see you in the next video. Bye!